What's extremely unhygienic but everyone seems to do it anyway? Okay, I have one. There was a time when we played beer pong. Pag yung ping pong ball hindi na-shoot at napunta sa sahig, pupulutin mo yung ping pong ball, tapos mag-shoot ka lang anyway. At kapag na-shoot siya sa cup mo, kailangan mo inumin yung laman ng cup. Back in the day, chat, yung laman ng cup, beer. It wasn't until we wisened up a bit, inisip natin, okay, tubig na lang yung ilagay natin dito. Sa tabi na lang yung alak, tas doon na lang tayo iinom. That's a fact, by the way, nung bago pa lang tong game na to at kaka-adapt pa lang nating mga Pilipino. It's such a dumb thing, but it's what we did. We drank straight from the cups that were in play. Crazy, right? I agree. That's one more thing I want to add to this. If you flush the toilet, please close the lid. Especially if your toilet is right beside your sink where your toothbrush is. And more especially kung yung toothbrush mo walang takip. Oh man, just close the lid, chat.